So when I'm leak checking, I always have my little vice grips that I got the teeth covered with a little piece of plastic. And so on this one, we want to really check and see. We can pinch this off. Yeah, watch the line down below. And now we'll see that those slugs of sap are coming down. There's not any bubbles getting in them. Okay. Now we can relocate that. Well, is this actually coming from the tree? If I got dead wood, did I hit a hole? I'm going to pinch it off up here. And the bubbles are still coming in. So that tells me the leak's in between there, right? And if you look around, oh, here, there's a leak.
My God.
Imagine that.
Yeah, imagine that.
Fixing a leak. I'm going to put a nice good piece of tape right over the hole. And I'm going to put it on down. And there's a nice big slug, no bubbles. Get back enough where I can see the slugs. No bubbles, and maybe one bubble.
That's a
there.
wonderful demonstration.
Mostly got that one.
And really, the sap flowing at this speed is what we want. If it was flowing much quicker, you wouldn't be able to see it.